Now let's take a look inside the cabin. First of all, that catches the eye is the very classic interior style of Chini Isuzu. Furthermore, its instrument panel adopts a double ring design with a larger LCD screen in the middle, which can display more information. Although it adopts a narrow cabin, the space performance is not so bad. But it has a double rows of seats, which provide more space for people. Besides, it can be more flexible than other models, like some aquatic product users. He can drive on country roads very easily. It was powered by an all-new 2.5 L4KK 1 Euro 6 engine. It's not only optimized the intake and exhaust system and combustion system, but also improves environmental protection and economy. At the same time, in terms of reliability, it has also been optimized. This engine currently has two turbines, 120 horsepower, 290 Nm, and 132 horsepower, 320 Nm. For urban standard transport, the power is definitely enough. Besides, it has 5-speed gearbox.